उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तमाम उस्ताद और तमाम स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने मुझे मैसेजेस किए थे कि सर पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, पीएमएस, सीएसएस के हवाले से कुछ ऐसे जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस हमारे साथ शेयर करें कि जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिपीट हुए हों और उनको अगर हम कर लें तो हमारे तकरीबन मैक्सिमम मार्क्स उस जनरल नॉलेज के पेपर में से वो आ सकें। तो जनरल नॉलेज के पोर्शन में कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स हैं उनमें ये जनरल नॉलेज के ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं तो इंशाल्लाह ताला उम्मीद है कि आप मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम मार्क्स जो है उसमें गेन कर सकेंगे और उसको और आप एक अच्छी ग्रेड जो है वो हासिल कर सकेंगे। तो यहाँ पर ये जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उसकी गारंटी है इंशाल्लाह ताला, और इसको जो है वो टॉपर्स ने ही सजेस्ट किया है। उनकी तरफ से जो मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स थे या जो कुछ कोलीग्स थे उन्होंने इसको ख़ुद से कंपाइल किया है, सजेस्ट किया है, और उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे रेफ़र किया है कि सर आप इसके हवाले से एक वीडियो बनाकर तो उसको तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के साथ शेयर करें। तो आखिर तक ये तमाम जनरल नॉलेज के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको देखिएगा और फिर इनको लर्न करके और तैयारी करके इनको अच्छे तरीके से कंसेप्चुअली भी और वैसे भी इसको अपने माइंड में बैठा लीजिएगा। होप सो इंशाल्लाह इसी में से जनरल नॉलेज के मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया एस जे थॉट्स तो उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और इंशाल्लाह ताला आने वाले दिनों में मज़ीद हर क्लास के हर सब्जेक्ट के नोट्स, इसके जो भी प्रेपरेटरी मटेरियल हो सकेगा वो इंशाल्लाह मैं अपलोड करूँगा। जॉब्स के हवाले से हो या आपकी जनरल प्रेपरेशन के हवाले से, इंटरमीडिएट, मैट्रिक, व्हाटएवर कोई भी सोर्स होगा जो मटेरियल का वो इंशाल्लाह इस चैनल के ऊपर शेयर कर दिया जाएगा। और हर किस्म की एजुकेशनल, नॉन एजुकेशनल जितनी भी न्यूज़ होंगी जो रिगार्डिंग जॉब्स होंगी, रिगार्डिंग स्टूडेंट्स होंगी, रिगार्डिंग टीचर्स होंगी, इंशाल्लाह उनको भी जो है वो अपलोड कर दीजिएगा। तो सबसे पहला एमसीक्यूज़ जो है वो है व्हाट इज़ दी टोटल एरिया ऑफ पाकिस्तान। तो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं मैंने जो करेक्ट है वो उनको ऑप्शन को भी सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है, तो आपके लिए भी वो इजी हो जाएगा। दूसरा है व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ पंजाब। थर्ड, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ सिंध। 4, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ बलूचिस्तान। 5, व्हाट इज़ द टोटल एरिया ऑफ KPK। 6, what is the total area of Islamabad? 7, what is the total area of FATA? 8, Pakistan lies between the latitude. 9, Pakistan lies between the longitudes. 10, name the range which separates Pakistan from Afghanistan. Number 11, what is the height of Tirchmir Peak? 12, what is the height of Nanga Parbat Peak? 13, which of the following mountains peaks is called Killer Mountain? 14, what is the total length of Siachen Glacier? 15, Baltoro Glacier is situated in the mountain range of. 16, which pass connects Chitral with Gilgit and is just 381 meters long? 17, which of the following pass connects Abbottabad and Gilgit? 18, which of the following pass connects Peshawar with Chitral? 19, Manchar Lake is found in. 20, famous lake Saif al-Muluk is situated in. 21, the largest lake of Pakistan is. 22, in which district of Punjab Kalar Kahar Lake is situated? 23, Satpara Lake is situated in. 24, which of the following pass connects Dir and Chitral? 25, which of the following pass connects Sindh plain with Quetta? 26, which of the following pass connects Chitral with Wakhan? 27, name the area which separates Pakistan from Central Asian states. Similarly, अगर आप next जाएं तो the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan is called. What is the total area of Azad Kashmir? What is the total length of Pak-China boundary line? What is the total length of Pak-Afghan boundary line? What is the total length of Pak-Iran boundary line? Which is the largest desert of Pakistan? Which is located north and northeast of Pakistan? Which is located east of Pakistan? which is located west of Pakistan, which is located in south of Pakistan, which is the hottest place in Pakistan, which of the following places is rainiest of Pakistan, area around the rivers is known as. Pakistan's plains are divided into the upper Indus plain starts from, the upper Indus plain ends at, the lower Indus plain starts from, the highest peak of the Kohe Sufad range is, which is the highest peak of Himalayas range in Pakistan. The highest peak of Karakoram range is. Bahawalpur is mostly consists of. The climate of Pakistan is mostly referred as. In which province of Pakistan there is no desert? In which province of Pakistan the desert of Thar lies? In which province of Pakistan the desert of Thar lies? K2 is also known as. What is the total height of K2 peak? Name glacier which is located in Karakoram mountain range. What is the total generation capacity of Varsak Dam? Tarbela Dam was constructed in. The highest peak of Hindu Kush range is. The highest peak of Salt range is. Name of longest glacier of Pakistan. Chantar Glacier is located in the region of. How many peaks in Pakistan are higher than 8,000 meters? The highest of Kohe Suleiman range is. Siachen Glacier is located in the region of. K2 is present in which mountain range? Nanga Parbat is located in. Which is the highest peak of Pakistan? Which is the second highest peak of the world? Which range separates China from Pakistan? Which of the following pass connects Dera Ismail Khan with Ghazni? Which of the following pass connects Chitral with Wakhan? Which of the following pass connects Kila Abdullah with Chaman? The first field discovered in Pakistan in 1952 was at. Which province is the largest producer of natural gas? Which province is the largest producer of oil? Delta's plain of Pakistan starts from. When Mangla Dam was completed? What is the total height of Khunjrab Pass? Which of the following pass connects Baltistan and Yarkand, China? Which pass is the highest pass of Pakistan? Which of the following pass connects Bannu, Pakistan and Ghazni, Afghanistan? Which of the following pass connects Mardan with Malakand? Which of the following pass connects Peshawar with Afghanistan? Which is the largest freshwater lake of Pakistan? In which valley Lalusar Lake is located? Which lake is located near Thatta? Rawa Lake is situated in. Kheoda is famous for the minerals of. Toot oil and mineral natural gas field is located in. Kohe Sultan is located in Balochistan. Ghulam Muhammad Barrage was constructed on river. Varsak project is located on. What is the installed generation capacity of Mangla Dam? Wular Lake is source of. Hina Lake is situated near. Kalar Kahar Lake is situated in. Hub Lake is situated near. Heliji Lake is situated in. Kachura Lake is situated in. Which of the following lake is called Paradise of Birds? Which is the main man-made largest lake of Pakistan? Kabul River is located in the province. Name the nearest city from where Indus begins its deltic stage and breaks into many distributaries. What is the total length of Jhelum River? The Pothar Plateau is very rich in. Warcha mine is famous for the mineral of. Longest tunnel of Pakistan is. On which river Mangla Dam is built? What is the total length of river Ravi? Panjura River is located in the province of. How many rivers flow in Punjab province? Marala Headworks has been constructed on river. What is the installed hydroelectricity generation capacity of Tarbela? Suleiman Ki Headworks is constructed on river. Trimu Sidnai Canal takes water from Trimu barrage and discharges it into. The Chashma nuclear plant was built with the help of. Bolan River is located in the province of. How many rivers are present in Pakistan? Zob and Mulla rivers are located in. Jhelum and Chenab rivers merge at. The Indus rivers rise from. Which is the longest river of Balochistan province? Son and Haro are famous rivers of. Which river is called Nile of Pakistan? Where all rivers of Punjab enter into Indus? Which is the smallest river of Pakistan? Name the most polluted river of Pakistan. Which area has the biggest deposits of copper? Chagi copper deposits are found in the province. Zain Mari are famous for the A Sandak project is producing copper, silver, and which is the biggest natural gas field of Pakistan? Which of the following species metal is found in Dera Ghazi Khan? Sulfur is found in the areas of Pakistan. Which is the oldest hydroelectricity project in Pakistan? Under Indus Water Treaty, which rivers were given to India? Under Indus Water Treaty, the rivers given to Pakistan are Ballo Ki Headworks was built on the river. Upper Chenab Canal takes off from Diamir. Bhasha Dam will produce electricity after completing. Which is the biggest earth-filled dam in the world? What is the installed capacity of Chashma nuclear power plant? Varsak multi-project was started in. When the Indus Water Treaty was signed? What is the installed electric generating capacity of nuclear plants? The origin of Upper Bari Doab Canal is. Name the longest river of Pakistan. What is the total length of the Indus River? Dasht River is located in. Purali River is located in. Sandak project is producing copper, silver, and gold with the help of. Which of the following are the biggest deposits of coal in Pakistan? Muslim Bagh, which is famous for chromite, is located in. Sandak project is famous for. The Bhasha Dam on Indus River is being constructed in. Hangol Dam is located in. Producing capacity of electricity of Ghazi Barota Dam is. Peshawar district and major part of Mardan district are consisted of. Indus Plain is divided into. What is the total length of Pak India boundary line? और what is the total length of coastline of Pakistan? तो तमाम साथी से गुजारिश है कि ये MCQs 161 MCQs हैं, इनको आप प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा और कोशिश कीजिएगा कि आप अच्छे से अच्छा इसको प्रिपेयर कर सकें और लर्न कर सकें। होप सो इंशाल्लाह ताला इसी में से जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। किसी भी टेस्ट में जो पोर्शन होगा तो मैक्सिमम यही क्वेश्चन जो है वो रिपीट होंगे। तो आपसे गुजारिश है कि मेरे चैनल एसजे थॉट्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो पसंद आए तो शेयर कर दीजिएगा, लाइक कर दीजिएगा और अपनी राय ज़रूर दीजिएगा कमेंट में। तो दुआ में याद रखिएगा। जज़ाकल्लाह।